Google has added apps to millions of Android phones without asking and without any notification. Most people have no idea they are even there. In this video, I'll show you where these apps are hiding, what they actually do, and which one you should remove for your privacy. Let's check your phone together. Photo scanning. The first app is linked to Google Messages. Google introduced a feature called Sensitive Content Warnings. When enabled, it scans incoming photos and videos to detect nudity and automatically blurs them. Google says this analysis happens only on your device and nothing is sent to their servers. This feature makes sense for kids or shared phones, but if you are an adult and don't use it, there is no real reason to keep a system app that can analyze your photos and videos. Where to check it? Open Google Messages, tap your profile picture, go to Messages Settings. Then tap Open Protection and Safety. Tap Manage Sensitive Content Warnings. If this is on, the feature is active. Now let's find the actual system app behind it. Open the Play Store app. Tap your profile picture. Scroll down and tap Help and Feedback. Tap Search. In the search bar, type Delete. Tap Delete Apps on your Android phone. Scroll down gently and tap to go to Applications Settings. Tap the four dots and select Show System Processes or Apps. Now look for Android System Safety Core. Open it and tap Uninstall. Nothing breaks. Your phone keeps working normally. Only the image scanning features gets removed. The second app, don't panic. Now let's talk about the second app, Android System Key Verifier. This one sounds scary, but it's actually doing something important. Its job is to verify encryption keys, prevent man-in-the-middle attacks, make sure you are really messaging who you think you are. It does not read your messages, it does not scan your content, it only checks public encryption keys, nothing private. You can remove it, but I wouldn't recommend it. Deleting it does not increase privacy, it increases vulnerability. So here is the honest takeaway. If you don't use sensitive content warnings, remove Android System Safety Core. Keep Android System Key Verifier. It's there to protect you.